Hello. Today I will go over Lincoln Riley Act and why is it important for immigrants. Please note that I'm an attorney in New York, but the content of this video is not legal advice. Lincoln Riley was a nursing student at the age of 22. She was on campus trying to go for a jog, and she was unfortunately brutally murdered in 2024 by an undocumented immigrant. His name was Jose Ibarra, and subsequently he was sentenced to life without parole. Now, Lincoln Riley Act is the first act that President Trump has signed into law in his second term presidency. The importance of this fact is that it's going to affect the immigrants, especially the undocumented or illegal immigrants, to a great extent. And I will try to explain them as in small pieces and as digestible as possible. What does the Lincoln Riley Act say? It says the law requires Immigration and Customs Enforcement, which is the same as ICE, to detain non-citizens who are in the country unlawfully and have been arrested for, charged with, convicted of, or have admitted to committing theft-related crimes such as burglary, shoplifting, or larceny. So there are multiple things that are very important, kind of multiple pieces that are subject to interpretation. For example, a lot of people may think when we are talking about people who are present in the US unlawfully, we are talking only about people who entered illegally. That is not the case. Actually, we are talking about whoever is not on a legal status in the US, which can be, overstaying their valid visa. It's also very important to note that when we are talking about the crimes that are listed in this act, which some are more and some are less serious, such as shoplifting, this covers any sort of level of that crime. For example, in the state of California, shoplifting under 950 is a misdemeanor. That doesn't change the fact that still that misdemeanor is subject to this law. So let's say someone has entered legally, overstayed their student or tourist visa, and now, God forbid, there's a shoplifting, even if the amount of, $5 is just a pack of gum or something very simple, that still may subject the person to the enforcement of this law. So it's very important to understand the details, and if you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Thank you.